Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a fall fashion haul. I feel like it's been years since I've done one of these, like a dedicated try on fashion haul. So I wanted to bring a little throwback to my old videos and show you guys the recent finds that I've gotten from Banana Republic, H&M, Saks Fifth, Petal and Pup, Tjmaxx, Abercrombie & Fitch, and Primark. But let me know if you guys want me to continue to make these or if you want any specific styling videos and I'll gladly make them for you guys. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So starting with jeans, I got two from Abercrombie & Fitch, including this one and the one that I have on right now, which are like these. These are a little bit wider at the bottom, and then these are a little bit more straight. And I did end up getting the extra long this time, and I'm obsessed with the length. Like, it's so long for me. I love it. I've been wanting to get darker denim jeans, so I found these, which I believe are the darkest ones that they have, and then also the ones that I have on, which is slightly lighter, as you can see. But I want an even darker one, and I think Levi sells them, so I'm going to order those and see if they actually fit the part, because I honestly prefer Abercrombie & Fitch jeans material, fit, and everything. I get the curve line and I just love it so much. So yes, obsessed with these. I actually already wore them. I'll try linking a few other favorites from Abercrombie & Fitch for you guys on LTK, so make sure to check that out and follow me there. I also went ahead and placed an order from Petal and Pup, which I love so much. I feel like I always find such unique, beautiful pieces on there, and I think they're killing it for the fall time. So I ended up getting this stunning little cardigan, a light gray with some buttons. It also comes in black, and yeah, I got a bunch of cardigans, including the one that I have on, and these two right here. I just feel like cardigans are so in for the fall time. I mean, they've always been in, but I just love styling them specifically around this time. And I think this will be great as well for like Thanksgiving or any upcoming holiday party. You notice I usually stick to my neutrals, and I know gray is considered a neutral, I guess, but I never get gray stuff. So I've been wanting to incorporate more gray in my capsule wardrobe, as you can say. Another cardigan that I got is this stunning teddy bear material, very like chunky. I love the feel and texture of this one. You can see more of a realistic color there, but yeah, love this one as well. Again, it's a chunky, more of an oversized fit. It's a small, but as you can see, it's like wider, and yeah, super cute. And then this one is slightly on the more warmer brown, and it's a longer cardigan. You could either tuck it in, put a belt and cinch it. I don't know, I just love cardigans. Also, another, of course, obsession of mine are sweaters, and this one is so cute. It's a neutral one with a little crew neck and some white stripes. I love it. It's actually like sewed in, which is a nice texture feel. But yeah, love this one, and again, I feel like you can style it so many different ways. Next is this vest. It's a stunning black knitted vest with gold buttons. Oh my god, the buttons are actually so stunning. Hopefully you can see the detail there, but it's so pretty. And again, I feel like you can totally dress this up and down with black denim, some pumps or heels, and call it a day. But I love this material as well, and I feel like you can definitely wear this all year round, or if you live in a warmer climate state or country, you can also style this for the fall and winter. So love it. Another staple for the fall and winter is definitely a long maxi skirt. This one is actually a midi skirt, high-waisted, and it's a stunning like pleated knit material. Really cute. Again, you can totally dress this up and down with some sweaters, some heels, and make it work. Also found this beautiful bodycon, more like a fitted long dress. Again, I feel like this would be great for the holiday season. I love me a sweater dress for this time of year, and this one is so nice, fitted, thick material. It has a v-neck detail up here. Yeah, I love it. Last but not least, from Petal and Pup is this beautiful floral brown with some like hints of blue. This one is a long midi dress for me, at least because I'm 5'9", but it's a beautiful long dress. And I feel like with a nice brown belt, some cowboy boots is gonna look so cute for the fall time. For apple picking, pumpkin picking, winery or distillery, just any fall activity, super cute. From H&M, I went ahead and ordered 2 trench coats because I fell obsessed with it. Honestly, their fall collection is to die for. I really want to go in person to select a few more pieces, but the trench coats, I ended up getting in 2 different colors because I just was obsessed with them. I love trench coats and I've been needing new trench coats, specifically these colors, which are my tones. This is more of an army green tone. And I was a little concerned because I like getting them mediums or like more of an oversized fit for me. And I ended up getting them in a small, which I was concerned about, but these are more of like an oversized fit. Very comfortable and super, super long. Just obsessed with them. Again, this is more like a tan color and an army green. Let me know which one's your favorite. I hope they still have it in stock, and if they don't, definitely check their stores. From Banana Republic Factory, which I actually love shopping for, specifically for the fall and winter, or if you need like dressier items, you will always find great quality pieces at an amazing price. One of my favorite coats, which actually I purchased again last year, and I haven't worn it, but it's my big oversized puffer coat. And I got it in cream now. I've had the army green one for years and it's amazing quality and oversized fit, very warm. And I ended up getting it in cream last year. Love it so much. So if they still have it in stock, I'll link it down below as well. But this one is actually from the men collection because I've been looking for kind of like a barber coat dupe, and this one gave me the vibe of that. So I ended up getting it. I wish I got a larger size just because it would look nicer or cooler. And I ended up getting a small. Again, this is from their men's section, but I wish I got it in a medium. So I might return it or exchange it in stores. And then I've been looking for a black leather jacket. This one is more of an oversized fit, and I really love the leather material. It's super, super soft. It's more of a motor leather jacket, I feel, if that's the name. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's more of an oversized fit again, and I got it in a size small. Also from Banana Republic Factory, I ended up getting these boots. I don't know if I should show you them last with the rest or per brand, but let's show you per brand. So I ended up finding these. They have like a slouchy fit to them. It's a perfect length for me, at least. It's like a knee-high length, and usually knee-high boots are a little too short for my liking, but these are the perfect length in my opinion. I also love the heel, but yeah, very cute. And now that I think about it, I ended up getting very similar boots from Tjmaxx, so I'll see which one I'll keep. All right, moving on with Tjmaxx. I feel like Tjmaxx has been killing it this year in particular. Like, I found so many amazing items for the spring and summer, and now I'm noticing that they have so many beautiful pieces for the fall and winter. So I ended up finding this stunning cardigan from Tjmaxx. It was like $20, I think. Amazing quality. I also got this necklace. It's like a Van Cleef dupe, but really cute. Love it. And then I found another leather jacket in brown, and I love the fact that this one actually has silver, and this one actually has a dark metal. I thought it was gold. But yeah, silver and brown. Love the tone of brown. And this one is a little bit more fitted. I got it in a medium so that it could fit with sweaters underneath. And yeah, I love it so much. And it was only, where is it? $39.99. I usually never check their bottom section just because they never fit me right. Specifically jeans. I just have the hardest time finding jeans that fit me with the perfect length, just perfect everything. And I randomly stumbled upon these from Zara, which are, I guess they're not supposed to be super long, and if they are, I'm just gonna rock them like not long, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm thinking of wearing them with some boots or sneakers throughout the fall and winter, specifically the fall. But yeah, these are from Zara. Amazing stretch and fit. Love these so much, and I think you could totally dress it up and down. And I got this denim button down, and I've noticed that denim on denim is super in, so I styled these with the darker wash jeans the other day, and I love the way that it looked. So definitely recommend checking them out. They had different denim button downs, but I found this one for $24. $24.99, and I love how soft it is. Another great find for a capsule wardrobe, which you can use all year round, is this stunning, kind of like a cropped, but not really, button down. This is a blue striped white collar, nice little like sleeve. Yeah, I just feel like this is definitely a staple in any closet. Another sweater, I just love having these specifically for this time of year. If I don't have anything to throw on, I would just throw it with jeans, some boots, and of course it's New York, so I had to get it, and it was only $20, I think. Yeah, so very nice little like quarter zip sweater. Then I got a 2-piece set, and I feel like, again, Tjmaxx has been killing it with 2-piece sets. And this one is like a cream striped high-waisted skirt with a slit, and then this off-the-shoulder little cami crop top. Very cute, with a belt, some cowboy boots or any boots, and it will look super nice. Then I got 2 sweater dresses. This one is kind of like a midi length button down and beautiful sweater material. I feel like this would be great for Thanksgiving or any holiday parties coming up, with some boots, a nice little coat, and call it a day. And then I found this dress, which I feel like it's a total bargain for the price. It's $24.99. It's a beautiful long striped sweater dress. I believe this is navy or black and cream stripes. Very nice. I feel like this is another dress that you can wear for different occasions, and I love it. Next, I have some shoes. I've been looking for the perfect cowboy boots, and I ended up finding these. They're not the ones that I've been looking for, but I love this color and the material, also the heel. I feel like it looks really nice, and it was $34.99, so that's what these look like. Then I found these, which aren't cowboy boots, but I think they're more like riding boots, but I love the cut of these up here. It's like scoops down, if you could see. I also love the heel. It seems to be very comfortable, and yeah, this one was $50. A little bit more expensive, but you could tell that it's very nice quality. And what's the brand? I don't know. Oh, and I also found these flats, which I have been wearing non-stop. They're so comfortable, like so comfortable. They're the brand Mia or MIA. And I actually got them from Marshall's. It's so dirty, but it was only $20, and I'm obsessed. I wish I got them in black as well, because they're definitely my to-go flats at the moment. I also have some finds from Primark. I feel like I probably used a few of the items that I got, because I don't find the sweaters, and I could have sworn I purchased sweaters, but I got a few accessories, starting with this purse that I am so in love with. It's a beautiful brown slouchy purse that truly fits absolutely everything, and it was only $29, and I feel like it's a dupe for a very trendy and expensive purse that has been going around. But yeah, I love it, and I've been using it so much. It also comes in black, and I love the fact that it has the clasp right here, but it also has this that you can like connect to the other side in case you want to make it smaller, like this. I don't know, I think it's super practical, and it also has a clutch. It's a win-win. So I've heard red is in style, and I found these stunning sling back pointy toe heels. Tell me that this doesn't look like a Prada dupe without the Prada brand name, but very nice. I love the kitten heel. I think it would look super cute with jeans, or maybe like an all black outfit and then pairing it with these. Love it. The best part, these were only $20. Also from Primark, I got this belt, which is like a brown velvet material, gold detail, and I love it. It's super cute. From Aritzia, I ended up getting this brown belt. I love belts from Aritzia. I actually have the black one, and I use it religiously. I just love the shade of brown. As you can see, is a lot darker than the one that I got from Primark, and the material is unmatched. It's like the best leather material. You could tell that this is going to last forever. I love the gold clasp. It also comes in silver, I think, but I love it in gold, and yeah, it's really nice. I think the color is perfect. It also comes in a smaller fit, but I wanted the wider bigger one. I'll link both sizes down below as well as the black one that I love because I feel like they're total staples in your closet. And then very last but not least, I ended up going to Saks Fifth and I found the most stunning cowboy boots. I am obsessed with these. Tell me that this isn't giving Texas, Tennessee, down south, take me to a rodeo vibes. I love them. I love the suede detail up here with the leather, and the stitch is just so stunning. The brand is marked Fischer and it's originally $329. They were selling it for $380, but they had an extra 20% off. So I was like, add to cart. Like, come on now. I don't know. I love these so much. I don't know if I'll be able to link these, but I'll try my best to find similar ones, if not the same. But yeah, that was pretty much my fall fashion haul. I'm going to have all the links in the description box, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos because I truly miss making them, and see you next time. Bye.
I wanna tell you, but I don't know what to say. But please don't go. Don't you go leaving me all alone.